Hello students, welcome to today's session where we will be discussing more about large numbers. So we have already discussed about large numbers. What we have discussed about large number, before moving further, let's have a short recap. See, when we were discussing about the larger numbers, we basically discussed about the Indian place values and international place value. What is Indian place value and what are international place value? What was the difference between both of them? What things you need to consider while writing were discussed. Along with that, we have also seen the numeral form, expanded form, word, write the given number in words, place value, face value, comparing the numbers, arranging them in ascending and descending order. So to do all these things, what was the basic key? The key was to learn about Indian place value and international place value. So this is your Indian place value, whereas this is the international place value. So what we have learned, if you are thorough with your Indian place value and international place value, you will be able to quickly answer the numbers in numeral form, expanded form, word form, or place values or face values. To know all these things, or to compare, or to arrange, or to arrange the numbers, the thing required is to be thorough about the chart. If you know the chart, it is very easy for you to do any type of operations. So even today we are going to discuss operations on larger number. For that also the place values are really very important. Now let's revise once. For Indian place value, we had ones place, that is unit, tens and hundred. Then thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. For international, we have unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. What next to this was billion. Now you can see something extra I have written in the third column in both the tables. The third row, that is unit is having 1. So unit means only one single number, and unit place may have 0 to 9 as a number. So same here, same here. Tens is having 10 power 1. Now about tens some numbers are written. What are they? Actually in the senior classes they are called as power. Here you can understand them as how many zeros will be there in the number. If it is 10 to the power 1, we have only 1 0. See, if you write 20, you write 30, you write 40, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. Clear? If you are writing 100, 300, 400, 500, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 10 is having 2 zeros. 1000, how many zeros? 3. So below 10 I have written 3 zeros. Then 10,000 has 4 zeros. Similarly, here also 4 zeros. Even in our last video also we have seen till 10,000 there is no difference between Indian place value or international place value. The difference arises after 10,000. Now in Indian place value we call after 10,000 number as lakh, whereas here 10 to the power 5 is known as 10 with 5 zeros, that is 1 followed by 5 zeros is 100,000. And here it is 10 lakh next, where this becomes million, and 10 after 10 lakh here it is crores, where we are writing it as 10 million, and 10 crores as 100 million. Clear? And what else we have learned? That while writing a number in Indian place value chart, Indian system, the numbers will have 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2 and 1, 2 and similarly another. Whereas in international system, when we are writing the numbers, first 3, then comma, then 3, then comma, then 3 and then comma. So the comma will help you to read the number faster. If you have till 4-digit number, it's very easy to read. But when the number is larger number, it becomes very difficult for few of the students to just straight away look at the number and tell the number name or write in word form. So when you are writing the numbers and you use comma, it becomes very easy for you to do. Now moving further, we will discuss how to do addition on larger number. So if we take the number as 5, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. See, these additions are very easy to do. What I am going to tell you is, see, when you are writing this number, firstly write the place values. Clear? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the first, start writing from the ones place. 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the sign of addition and add the number. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Now, till here you have done before also. What we are going to learn in this standard is the answer which you are getting. Previously used to write it as answer, but this answer is also called as sum. Clear? This answer is also called as sum. Now, what else we need to understand based on this? See, if 5, 2, 3, 4 plus dash is given and the answer is given 6, 4, 6, 8. Clear? How to fill this? Even this we know. But what we are doing is, to get this answer, simply 6, 4, 6, 8 minus 5, 2, 3, 4. Considering both the numbers and doing the subtraction work, we will be able to get this is 4, this is 3, this is 2 and this is 1, which is nothing but your second number. Clear? So, based on the addition part, the way we were doing 4-digit numbers, we can do the 5th digit number also, 6th digit number also. Simply write the place values, start writing the number from right, that is from the ones digit. Clear? And wherever the numbers are not given, like if the first number is 6-digit number and second number will be 3-digit number, so just write the 3-digit number from the right side, that is ones, tens and hundred, and the first number will be written as it is under the place value. Simply add them and get the answer. Now, what else to be done? See, for this addition part, it's okay. Now we will be finding out the missing numbers using the step which we have learned just now. Now in this example, what we are going to see is, you can see dash. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes are given. Now we need to find that between 0 to 9, which number will be filled in this dash to get the exact solved example. Now see, here it is very clear. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So this part is okay. Coming to this, 1 plus 3 dash and 6. So what does this mean? 1 plus 3 plus dash is equals to 6. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus dash is 6. What can be added to 4 to give 6? So if you, for this it is very easy that when you add 2, it will become 6. Or else, as we have seen, 6 minus 4 is 2 in the previous example. So what we are going to get here is 2. Clear? So this is solved now. Next, 9 plus dash plus 6 is equal to 6. Now, already 6 is there. We have 9 here. And what can be the answer here? We know that it is in tens place. So only 6 will not be there. It could be 16, it could be 26. What exactly it is? Which number will be filled here? So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus dash is 6. Now, what can be added here to get 6 with 1 dash? So when you are writing here 6, okay, then here it is 15. So with 15, which number can be added? So with 15, if you add 1, it will give you the nearest number as 16. Clear? So in this 16, 6 is considered here and 1 is taken over here as carry. So just put it here as 1. Now we have solved this also. Clear? Now 8 plus 5. See, I told you here it could be 16, here it could be 26, here it could be 36. But whatever it is, the ones digit in the answer will have 6. Clear? Simple 6 is not possible because 9 plus 6 is 15 here itself. So number must be more than 15. So number more than 15 is try for the lowest number, that is immediate number is 16. Yes, if you add 1 to this, you will get 16. 6 is already printed here, 1 you will be taking as carry. For the third one, it is 1 carry 1 plus dash plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Already 14 is here on one side. The other side is having 0. So the nearest number which can be here is 20. Clear? Now see 0, 0 after 0 you will get 10. After 10 you will get 20. So already this sum is existing somewhere between this. So try to reach this one by adding 6. So if you are adding 6 here, the answer is going to be 20, 2 is carry and 3 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8 and this will be 9. Clear? So in this way we can find the missing number from the given problem. Okay, let's take, now we will be discussing about subtraction. Now we will be discussing about operation on larger number as subtraction. Clear? Now, as we have seen an example for addition, we are going to take one example for subtraction also. 9786 minus 2354. Subtraction part is very easy. What we are going to learn here is this one, the first number is known as minuends and the second number is known as subtrahends. The answer which you are going to get, like in addition we got it as sum. Now when you are doing subtraction, the answer will be named as difference. Now what is the answer here? 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7. Clear? Now we can also make a formula from this, that is difference is nothing but minuend minus subtrahend. Or if you talk of minuend, that is difference plus. That means from this equation we can simply change the positions. Now remember, when anything goes from one side to another, you need to change the sign. Like difference is as it is, we are finding the value of this. So for this what we did is, we have taken this one to the other side, that will become plus. Now if you want subtrahend, then this is difference minus, this is positive, when this move to the other side, this is going to be clear. Now these three things we already know about, but just to learn the name by which we will be introducing these in our chapter. Now we'll take up one example over here. Example will be Now see, in this example, what we are going to do is we are going to subtract. Clear? Now, this is 10, this is 9, here it becomes 6, and 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, again here it is 3. So 3 will become 13, 2 will become 11, and this will become 6. So the answer which we are going to get is 13 minus 5 is 8, 11 minus 4 is 7, and 6 minus 1 is 5 and 2. So this is your difference. Now sometimes we do find a problem where we need to check whether what we have done is right or wrong. So what we have done is right or wrong, how to check it? So for that you will be writing it as check and. Write the difference first. And see, to check difference, okay, already this part is done. What else you need to do is just either you can add or you can subtract. Clear? If you are using the subtract, you need to add, and if you are using this one, you need to subtract to get the third number. And if this condition, any of these two is satisfied, means your operation is, your subtraction part is right. So you will be using this one, which is 2, 8, 6, 5, 4 and 1. Remember, do write the numbers just below to avoid confusion and mistake. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1. Carry always in circle. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 8 plus 5 is 13, 7 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2. So see, we got 2, 7, 2, 3, wait a minute, 2, 5, 7, 8. So now we need to check the number. So we are checking the number. When we verify the number, we are not exactly getting the number as same. See, this is 2, this is 7, this is 2, this is 3, 7 double 0. So, not getting same. What to do? Now, here is the time to recheck your solution. Now, when you recheck your solution, this is 8 and 2, 10, 0, 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1. So, these two parts exactly satisfy. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Then 8 plus 5 is 13, 3, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 is 8, then 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here exists the mistake. Now this, if you check it as 2, this is 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, rest all are okay. So when you are solving the problems, do recheck it, and if you find the number not matching, again check your solution. If still there is some mistake, there must be some mistake in copying the number, because this is the only mistake committed by most of the students during copying the question or arranging them. That is why always whenever you are adding or subtracting a number, do write the digits just below the digits. Okay. Now we will be taking one simplification example. For solving this simplification, you can see one number is positive, the other number is negative, then positive and then negative. So how to solve this? For this, first write all the numbers with same sign together. Clear? Now this part is done. Now recheck it that you have done copied the number as same or not. Now write the numbers properly. 9, 2, 5, 4, 7 and 5. Just the number below the number. Clear? Now the other part is 2, 3, 6, 7, 0, 5, 5, 6, 9, 8 and 5. number having the same sign, we will add the numbers and then the answer will be subtracted. So for this solution minus this solution. Clear? Now that is, here 9 plus 3 is 12, 2. 1 in hand, 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 0. 1 in hand, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4. 1 in hand, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0. 1 in hand, 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, 1 in hand. So this becomes 6, 2, 0, 4, 0, 2. Here again adding 0 plus 1, 7. This is 16 plus 1, 7, 5, 1, 8 plus 1, 9 and 2. Now finally the answer is 2, 9, 5, 6, 7 and 0. Now the third part which we will be doing is, we will be subtracting this from this. So while subtracting, this is 620402 minus 0, 7, 6, 5, 9 and 2. When you subtract this, this becomes 2. This is 10, 3. This is 3, 13, 9, 11 and 5. So here it is 3. Here you will get 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the final answer which we are going to get is it's 3,24,732. So we have seen that what we did till now is as same as we were doing, just the numbers are increased, and so we call operation with larger number. So we'll be giving you a few problems on this, and you will be solving these problems and trying to practice more and more problem. We'll be ending our session for today. Thanks.